Hello guys, welcome to another next tutorial. Today let's see how to install PyCharm in Ubuntu. Let's go to this website and there are really a couple of options to install PyCharm, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to install PyCharm with tar. So I'm going to download a standalone installation. Let's download the tarball. It will take you to the another website and you can download professional or community version, whichever you want. I'll make a separate video on how to crack the professional version. Now I'm going to download the professional version. Professional version, even though it's a paid one, it will give you 30 days free trial. I'm going to use that now. Just make sure you switch to Linux tab and download it. I'm using a download manager. Just in case if you don't use the download manager, I strongly advise you to use one, since it has some resume capabilities and other features which the normal browser download manager doesn't have. I'm using uget here. I have made a video on how to install uget and what are the best download managers. Now let me wait for the download to complete. So once the download is completed, just open that folder and you can move the tar file to the convenient folder wherever you like, where you want the PyCharm to be installed. So I'm going to install it in this personal folder. After moving the tar file to the desired location, just right click and open terminal and just type in this command tar -xvf and the file name. So this will extract the tar.gs file in the current location. Once the extraction is completed, just go to the folder and you can find the bin folder there. Go to the bin and so this is the start file. Open terminal here and type /pycharm.sh. So whenever you want to open the PyCharm, just you need to come to this location and run this command and the PyCharm will open. You can send or don't send if you don't want to the anonymous data. I'm going to evaluate for free. Just click that tab and click the evaluate button. So it will give you a 30 days free trial. And now you can work on PyCharm. Thanks for watching guys. Please to subscribe my channel and leave a thumbs up if you really like my content. Thank you once again.